Rambo ring Instagram story not available, problem solved. Hello guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna fix your problem that you're not getting the Rambo ring on your Instagram story like this. You can see here on my Instagram story. If you're not getting this type of Rambo ring, then this video will be absolutely for you. So let me just delete this story and let me just show you how you can fix the problem here. So guys, before starting the videos, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll get a more informative videos every day. So guys, here what you have to do, it's very pretty simple. You have to go to your story option and then let me just click one normal picture here. So guys, after clicking here, you have to just simply click on a text option and then you can just write hashtag pride, right? Pride, pride. Okay, so after writing this pride, you can see this pride and then click on done. So let me just click on send to option and share the story. Now you can see my Rambo ring is not available. I can't see any Rambo ring on my Instagram story. You can see here no Rambo ring. So guys, what you have to do, even though you are writing the pride, what you have to do here, it's very pretty simple. Let me just delete this story. So after deleting this story, let me just go back here and let me just click one picture here and then let me go to sticker option here. So after going to the sticker option, you have to just simply search for pride. So after searching for pride, you will find 3 pride sticker on the top screen. So you have to select any of the sticker here. So let me just select this sticker and then let me just zoom like this. Now go back and let me just go back and you can put some basic sticker like this one and then click on done option and then you can just hide like this and then click on done and click on send to option and share your story. So guys, you can see here my story is on the Rambo ring. So in this way you can fix the problem, and also if doesn't work then please comment me on my comment box. I will be replying your comment and I will try out to help out in a good way. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you soon on the next video, audience.